Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a baking video and we're going to be making strawberry banana bread. This is just what it looks like when it's finished, but if you want to see the recipe, then you got to keep on watching. And as always, I'm going to put up a picture of all the ingredients that you're going to be needing so you can ahead of time see what you need, see if you have it in the house or if you need to go to the grocery store. But yes, if you want to see how we're going to be making the strawberry and banana bread, then please keep watching. So you want to grease a 9x5 loaf pan and just set that aside. And in a separate bowl, you want to take 3 bananas and just mash them all together. And you want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. The first step that you want to do is take 1 unsalted butter stick, which is a ½ cup of butter, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. I don't know why I said it like that. Normally I just say like white sugar. But yeah, so you just want to take that and mix it together in a bowl. So once you have the butter and the sugar mixed together, in a separate bowl you want to take 2 eggs and whisk them together. And once they're whisked together, you want to add it into the butter and sugar mixture and once again mix those together as well. Once you mix the egg and the butter mixture together, you want to add the mashed bananas into it and beat that all together as well. So in a separate bowl, you want to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a ½ teaspoon of salt, and you want to whisk that together in a separate bowl, which I'll put a clip up of doing it. And once that's done, you just want to slowly add it into the mixture while you're mixing it up. So when you're mixing that together, you want to make sure not to overmix it and just mix it until the flour is combined. You don't want to go any more than that. And when you're done that, you want to add your 1½ cup of strawberries, and you want to toss the strawberries in 1 tablespoon of flour and then add it to the mix, and you want to fold it in with the spatula. Is it full?
Yeah.
So once it's all tossed up in the flour like that, you want to add it into your mix. And fold it all in, just like this. So once you've got it in your pan, it looks so good. Seriously, if you guys love strawberry banana milkshakes, you're gonna love this. So you just want to have your oven preheated already to 375. Throw this in for 15 minutes, and once 15 minutes has gone by, you want to change the heat to 350 and bake this for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so the banana bread is done. Well, the strawberry banana bread. And it does just look like this. It's very tasty. If you do want it more sweet, I would add 1.5 cups of sugar instead of 1 cup. But it is so good, and I do recommend this recipe. If you guys try it out, please let me know in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll be back with another video. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.